Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Good Technique. Today, we are going to talk about how to charge a battery. The car battery, this one is 12 volts. You will charge it in the way I'm going to show you. You well know that a battery has two terminals, positive and negative. So what you have to do is usually the positive terminal is the cable that goes on the positive terminal is red, and the one on the negative terminal is black. So make sure you don't mix it up. Mix it up, you damage your battery. So here we have a battery, 12 volts battery. It is a car battery. So if you have your car and you don't want to, you don't have to waste time going to battery charging stations. You know, that's a waste of time and money. You can buy your own charger, your own battery charger. Well, here I have mine, which is powerful anyway. It can charge a 12 volt battery and 24 volts battery. You can see it. Well, it has a meter, you can see. It has a fuse. It has if you want to charge quickly, that is rapid charge, you put on boost. Here you can see. Then if you want to charge overnight, when you're not using a battery on the car, you put on minimum, like this. This is minimum. This is boost, which is rapid charge. Then the switch is here, of course. This is off and 0, and on if you are putting on power. The rest are cables. Anyway, you recharge your battery at home if you don't want to waste time. When your battery is down and you have to carry your battery to the charging stations or pay for somebody to go and take it for charging. Sometimes you might find that they might charge it in the wrong way, and then you end up damaging a battery and buying a new one. So here's our battery. I'm going to show you how to charge it. First, you have to put the charger on 0, as you see. If you want to charge on boost, rapid charge, you still have a job to do. You want to use your car, then you put on boost. So before connecting to the main to the socket of electricity for charging, you first get the red connector, charger connector to the positive. You hook it there properly. Then you get the black one, which is normally put on the negative, on the negative terminal of the battery. See, that's negative. Next, you plug in. This is the cable we're going to plug in on the normal socket, on the wall socket, you know. Well, after plugging your system, your charger, you go on to the selector. Now let's use rapid charge. You put on boost. Then you put on you switch on. Before you switch on, check the meter. It is just on 0. So if you switch the power on, the meter will change. Now I'm switching it on. See where the meter is now. Now the battery is charging. You can see it is charging. So the more it goes down, when the battery gets full, it goes down up to 0. When it reaches 0, you switch off. First you switch off the power. Then you remove the battery terminals whichever, you can start with whichever, whether red or black. Then you unplug from the power source. Here we're done. So I was showing you how to charge your battery at home. Make it properly. In that process, your battery will live long. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to your fellows also who you wish well, of course. Save money. Be with me. Bye.